Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope that you are all very fine. Welcome my channel World of Pranavi. As you all know, I am an India Book of Records holder for saying continuous non-stop 61 English nursery rhymes in 12 minutes and 27 seconds. Today I am telling rhymes. So let's here is now. Good morning. My name is Pranavi. I live in Kolkata. I am 5 years old. I am reciting poems.
Chubby cheeks,
Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet, is that too? Yes, yes, yes.
Johnny,
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
two little hands,
Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs to tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide, and one little head goes side to side.
teapot,
I am a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Just lift me up and pour me out.
10 little fingers,
10 little fingers and 10 little toes. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night.
teddy bear,
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school.
twinkle, twinkle, little star,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Humpty Dumpty,
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men could not put Humpty Dumpty together again.
Pussycat,
Pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to meet the Queen. Pussycat, what did you there? I frightened the little mouse under the chair.
Little Miss Muffet,
Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating a carson way. Along came a spider, he sat down beside her, and frightened Muffet away.
hickory dickory dock,
Hickory dog, the mouse turned up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse turned down hickory dog.
ding dong bell,
Ding dong bell, puss well, who put her in? Little Johnny thin, who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to drown poor Pussycat.
little Tommy Tucker,
Little Tommy Tucker sings for supper. What shall he eat? Brown bread and butter. How shall he cut it without a knife? How shall he marry without a wife?
1 to buckle my shoe,
1 to buckle my shoe, 3 for knock at the door, 4 see pickle the sticks, 7 8 lay them sticks, 19 a good fat hen.
Jack and Jill,
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down, it broke his crown, and Jill come tumbling after.
rain, go away,
Rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play rain, go away.
5 little soldiers,
5 little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood so and 2 stood so. Along came the captain, and what do you think? They all stood straight as quick as a wink.
little Bo Peep,
Little Bo Peep has lost her seat and doesn't know where to find them. Lifting along, and they all come all home, wagging their tails behind them.
Baba black sheep,
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, and 1 for his tail, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Mickey Mouse,
Mickey on a railway picking up stones. Down came an engine and broke Mickey's bones. Ah, said Mickey, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care.
little Jack Horner,
Little Jack Horner sat in a corner, eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out the plum and said, what a good boy am I.
hot cross buns,
Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you no daughter slipped into your sands, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
cobbler,
Cobbler, made my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. 2:30 with much to get. Get it done by 8:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and I will give you half a crown.
I hear thunder.
I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Peter, Peter, raindrops. Peter, Peter, raindrops. I am a true, so are you.
Rain on the green grass.
Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the house too, but not on me.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells, jingle all the tree. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Row, row, row your boat.
Row, 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 row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
God prayer.
Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
Rolly Polly.
Rolly poly, up, up, up. Rolly poly, down, down, down. Rolly poly, in. Rolly poly, out, out, out. Rolly poly, clap, clap, clap. Rolly poly, hands behind your back.
Action songs.
Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed.
Itsy bitsy spider.
Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came a rain, and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout again.
Bits of paper.
Bits of paper, lying on the floor. Mix the places until pick them up.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Are you sleeping?
Are you sleeping? Brother John, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
5 little monkeys.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys straight to bed.
If you are happy and you know it.
If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, then your face will surely swell. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Wee Willie Winky.
Wee Willie Winky runs to the town, upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown, tapping at the windows, trying to the lock. Other children all in bed for it's past 8 o'clock.
2 little dicky birds.
2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Goosey goosey gander.
Goosey gander, whither shall I wander? Upstairs and downstairs, and in my lady's chamber. There I met an old man who wouldn't say his prayers. So I took him by his left leg and threw him down the stairs.
Simple Simon.
Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware. Said the pieman to Simple Simon, show me first a penny. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, indeed I have not any.
Peter Pumpkin Eater.
Peter Pumpkin Eater had a wife and couldn't give her. He put her in a pumpkin shell and they had kept her very well.
London Bridge is falling down.
London Bridge is falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My fair lady, build it up with iron bars. Build it up with iron works, my fair lady.
Peta cake, peta cake.
Peta cake, bakers, man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Patch each and prick each and mark with a B and put it in the oven for baby and me.
Little Robin Redbreast.
Little Robin Redbreast sat upon a tree. Up went Pushcat, down went he. Down came Pussycat, and Robin down. Run, says Little Robin Redbreast, catch me if you can.
Little Betty Blue.
Little Betty Blue lost her holiday shoe. What can little Betty do? Give her and that to match other, and then she will walk into.
Just me.
8 pink fingers standing up tall. 2 little ears to hear mommy call. 1 little nose that I can blow. 10 pink toes all in a row. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down. 2 little feet to step on the crowd. Hands to clap and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me.
Hop a little, jump a little.
Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, stretch a little, sleep a little in your bed.
There was an old woman.
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth without any bread and fed them on soundly and put them to bed.
The Muffin Man.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Doodle? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Doodle.
Georgie Porgy.
Georgie Porgy, punning and pie, hits the girls and made them cry. When the birds came out to play, Georgie Porgy ran away.
Number rhyme.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right.
Rat tat tat.
Rat tat tat, rat tat tat. Who's knocking on the door? Rat tat tat, rat tat tat. Who can it be? Let's square see. Here is a postman knocking at the door. Have any letter? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm a big engine.
I am a big engine, puff, 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 waiting to say tough, chuff, chuff, chuff. I blow my whistle, toot, toot, toot. The station bell is ringing now, ding dong, ding dong. Soon my wheels will turn around and I'll be homeward bound.
The clock.
Tick tock, Maidel sings the clock. It's time for work, it's time for play. So it sings throughout the day. Tick tock, Maidel sings the clock.
Toothbrush.
I have a toothbrush neat and gay to brush my teeth with every day. I brush them every morning, I brush them each night till all are shining clean and bright.
After a bath.
After a bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and 2 wet legs and shiny nose.
Traffic light.
Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, round the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means go very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, round the corner shining bright.
10 little firemen.
10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Off to the engine, ho ho ho. Using the big bell, so. When the fire's at home they go. Back to bed, all in a row.
My kite.
Flip flap, rises my kite. Up and up in the sky, blue and bright. Flip flap, goes my kite. Sometimes to my left and sometimes to my right. Flip flap, flies my kite high and high above touching the skies.
I love little kitty.
I love little kitty, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. I won't pull her tail, nor rub her away, but kitty and I together will play. She shall sit by my side, and I'll give her some food, and kitty will laugh me because I'm good.
Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Yankee Doodle went to town.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. He stuck a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle keep it up, Yankee Doodle daddy. All the girls and lasses are as sweet as sugar candy. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more educational videos and learning tips.